In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volvo C30 key fob. It's a super easy process. It'll take you just a couple minutes to do yourself at home. All you'll need is a 2016 battery and a regular flathead screwdriver. If you don't know where to get these batteries or you don't have one lying around, go check out that first link down in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. Now, opening this thing up, as I said, is super easy. You're just going to find the slot here on the top of the device, put your flathead screwdriver in, gently twist, and that's going to open up the key fob. You can then pull it apart with your fingers. And for me, the battery just fell right out. Maybe yours is kind of stuck in there a little bit more, in which case you're just going to pry it out, or you just dump it out like that. So here we have our 2016 battery. You're going to take your new battery and make sure you're putting that in positive side up. So when you set that into place here, you want to see the plus sign and all of that text facing up. Now all you need to do is set the back on top of there and squeeze it back together. That's all it takes. You got a new battery in there. It should last you a very long time, and you definitely saved some money if you were going to bring your key fob to the dealership. They'd charge you a lot more to do it than what it costs you to do it at home. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And remember, if you ever need help with another key, you can come back here to this channel and we will have you covered with a tutorial just like this one. You can get all this information and more over at our website, which is FobBattery.com.